government is committed to creating the enabling environment to support your success, because your success is Jamaica's success. We must double our resolve to strengthen the partnership approach and to act decisively on what we agree to do.
If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand. Raise it to the sky and let me see your hand. If you love Jamaica, let me see your hand.
This day has come because my administration is on a mission to improve the lives of all the people of our country, no matter their class, color, or political affiliation. In Jamaica, we are working diligently to eliminate poverty through economic growth, job creation, the expansion of business ownership, the generation of wealth, and social programs to benefit the most vulnerable.
Isn't it strange how princesses and kings in clown-leaded papers in sawdust ring?
My administration remains committed to education and training. Our commitment can be seen in the significant investments we continue to make in the education sector.
And the book of rules, each must make your lives flowing. Tumbling black on.
I have given instructions to the new Minister of Health, the Honorable Horace Daly, that every effort must be made as quickly as possible to correct the shortcomings in the health sector.
This one is for the children.
And I want to send a message loud and clear to all Jamaicans. Don't cover up child abuse, whether it is happening in your family, or your neighbors, or in your community. My government pledges to uphold the rights of our children and to punish severely those who harm or abuse them.
Stop and think what you're doing. If you are abusing a child.
Work is also underway for legislation to be passed to create a new offense of parental neglect.
There'll be a better tomorrow. There'll be a better tomorrow. There'll be a better tomorrow.
These payments are being disbursed because my administration has consistently met the economic targets agreed with the EU.
There'll be a way.
His Excellency Barack Obama, President of the United States of America, will pay a state visit to Jamaica on 9th April 2015.
No more sorrow.
Wagwan, Jamaica.
Hungry children. No more tears. There'll be a better tomorrow. There'll be a better tomorrow.
促進していくことを確認しました。
We reassured that both countries will enhance and promote their cooperation in line with 3 pillars of Japan's CARICOM policy.
Move your feet. We're gonna sing today.
This money could help to unleash trade across the region with new roads, new bridges, new port infrastructure to help speed up freight movements.
Well, you know, let's be sure you.
We view the visit as an acknowledgement and, more importantly, an appreciation of the close ties of history and culture that unite our two peoples.
There'll be a better tomorrow.
tangible developments are taking place in the country. The growth agenda is Jamaica's agenda. We're moving forward